Hello friends, hope all you are doing well. From today, we are going to start preparation for Haryana Civil Services exam. Exam date is postponed due to pandemic, but it will happen soon. So, we should continue preparation at home during this time period. You can prepare for HCS free of cost from this channel during pandemic. This is an opportunity for all, so take an advantage. Haryana means abode of God. That is, the word Haryana came from Hari, which means God, and Ayana means home. So its literal meaning is abode of God. That is Hari ka ghar. Haryana is one of the wealthiest and most economically developed region in South Asia. Haryana in ancient Sanskrit text referred as heaven on earth. As we all know, Haryana witnessed many historical battles like Panipat and the one of the most epic battle of Mahabharat at Kurukshetra. The Vedic land of Haryana has cradle of our Indian culture and civilization. Indian tradition regard this region as creation of northern altar. That means the Brahma performed the pristine sacrifice and created this universe. Right from its creation on 1st November 1966, Haryana divided from Punjab and it is emerged as one of the progressive state in India. It has a very planned economic development and Haryana maintained its growth rate with equity, that is minimum gap between rural and urban prosperity. Haryana ranks top industrialized state in India and has third per capita value addition. Haryana stands sixth in Industrial Entrepreneurship Memoranda, that is IEMs. Number 1 country as far as implementation of Industrial Entrepreneurship Memoranda. Haryana is one of the top agrarian states. Latitude of Haryana is 27 degree 13 minute north to 30 degree 35 minute north. Longitude is 74 degree 28 minute east to 77 degree 36 minute east. And area of Haryana is 44,212 square kilometer. Area wise rank of Haryana in India is 21st and its population is about 2 crore. And population rank of Haryana in India is 18th. Population density of Haryana is 573 square kilometer. As one of the lowest sex ratio of Haryana is 870. Total districts in Haryana are 22 and number of tehsils are 93. Division, that is administrative division of Haryana, are 6. Number 1 is Ambala, then Rohtak, Gurugram, Hisar and Faridabad. Subdivisions in Haryana are 73. Number of blocks are 140 and the villages are 6H41, that is 6,841. Sub-tehsils are 49 in number. Now come to legislature of Haryana. There is unicameral, that is one house. State Legislative Assembly in Haryana. There is number of seats are 90 and in Lok Sabha constituency from Haryana there are 10 seats and from Rajya Sabha constituency there are 5 seats. Decadal growth rate of Haryana is 19.90% and literacy rate is overall literacy rate 75.55%. Male literacy rate is more than overall literacy rate, that is 84.06%, and female literacy rate is 65.94%, and child sex ratio is 8:34. Now let's discuss some state symbol of Haryana. State tree of Haryana is peepal and state flower of Haryana is lotus and state animal of Haryana is black bug. State bird is black francolin. Decadal growth rank of Haryana is 16th and child population rank is same 16th. Population density wise rank is 11th and literacy rate rank is 22nd. Now some more detail about state animal of Haryana, black bug. It is also known as antelope and it is mainly found in India. And some small amount of population is found in Pakistan and Nepal also. Blackbug has ringed horns and has spiral twist of 3 to 4 tons of his horns. State bird black francolin is also known as Kala Titar in Hindi and it is found near the cultivation sites like scrub or wetlands bordering areas. For upcoming videos, keep watching Dream Civil Services. Jai Hind.